Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to update outdated WooCommerce templates in WordPress. Now before we get started, I have to notify you that in order to do this task, you have to have a paid version of the WordPress account. That means you have to pay for a plan for WordPress. Now as you can see, I didn't pay for that plan, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to update the outdated templates in WooCommerce successfully. Now let's follow these steps together. The first step is to check for outdated templates. Go to WooCommerce in the left sidebar here, and when you pay for the subscription, you will be able to see status options. Click on it and then click on templates. Here, WooCommerce will list outdated templates and their file location. Now for the second step is to update the theme's template files. Use FTP on your file manager to navigate to the WP content themes, your theme, WooCommerce, and then replace the outdated files with updated versions from the WooCommerce plugins. Now for the third step is to test your site. After updating, check your site's products and checkout pages to ensure they function correctly. And that's it. If you follow these instructions, you will be able to update outdated WooCommerce templates successfully. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any further questions about this topic, leave a comment below the video and we'll be glad to answer it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.